Hi friends, so in the earlier chapter we have learned about how you can use find command and we have played with various files and folders. So in this lecture we will learn how you can view the file and manipulate the file contents by using cat, then tag and less, rev, head and tail commands. Okay, so let's head over on our Ubuntu VM and let's practice this. So I'm on my Ubuntu VM. I will open my terminal here and if I will go to so let me use echo and I will type hello. Okay, and let me type this in file1.txt. Let me create 5 files. Okay, and we'll come back. Okay, so I have created 6 files here and I have written contents in all of them. In some of them I have written hello, then friends, then this is. Okay, so now if you want to see the contents from any file, you have a command called cat. Okay, so basically it is used for concatenate. If I will see man page of cat, so basically it will concate files. Okay, so I will hit Q and if I will type, if I will see the contents of file1.txt, so it will say you that it is hello. Similarly, I have written in all of these. So if I want to, so basically the main uh, idea behind the cat is you can concatenate the files. So I will type file1.txt, then file2.txt, then file3.txt, then file4.txt, then file5.txt, and then file6.txt. Okay, if I will hit enter, so I think I have written wrong. So you've seen that, right? So we have mistyped here also, but in the at the end, it said our all the stuffs in here. Hello friends, this is Linux course. Okay, so now we don't want to put this as here because I can mistype also by typing this much. So what I will do, I will use cat and then file, then 126. I will close and then txt. Okay, so this using special wildcard characters also it will do the thing. Okay, now if I want to put this in any file, then I will put it in hello.txt. So it will get there. And if I want to see the contents of cat hello.txt, so it's the same. Okay, so hope we are clear with this. Now let me try to create any file. So what I will do, I will write cat. Let's use of echo. So I will use echo and then I will type let's abc. Okay, and then I will write it to a file called alpha.txt. Okay, now I so there we have our file. Now let me also add abc and then xyz, and now this time I will append this. Okay, I'm not overwrite it. I will expand this so that append it so that it will get into next line. So if I will hit enter, so if I will see the contents of alpha.txt, so you can see there is abc and xyz. Okay, now so there is another command tac, the opposite of cat. So what it will do, it will just bring the things in the reverse order. So if I will type tag alpha.txt, so what it will do the lower column on the top and the upper column on the low. Okay, also if you have there, so what you can do, you can save it to any file and you name it like reverse.txt. Okay, so you can save it to the file also. If I will see the contents of reversed, so there you go. Okay, so hope we are clear with these basic stuff. Now let's move ahead and let's see about more things in here. So yeah, you now we have another function while viewing or sorting the files, so which is rev command. So if I will see cat and so what we where we have saved it in cat. We have saved everything in hello.txt, right? Yeah. So what I will do, I will type cat and then I will pass it to command rev. So what rev command will do, it will reverse the order of each lines or each words here. Okay. So what it will do, it will keep the files lines here only, the words here only, but it will reverse the characters. Okay. So if I will hit enter, so you can see it has reversed the character, right? But the thing is still same, means the hello is on top, it just reverse the order. So the rev command is used to reverse the character and the tag command is used to uh, reverse the rows. Okay. And this one you can understand like you it is reversing the columns, and the cat tag command is reversing the rows. Okay, you can remember like that. Yeah, of course you can use cat with tag. So if I will use tag, and then at the same time I am using ref. So what it will do, think of it. So what it will do, so it will take cat hello.txt, it will take this, then it will use tag, then tag. So I am piping into tag. So what it will do, it will reverse and pass it to tag. So tag till here it's done, it will reverse, means course will be upper, then linux will be there and hello will be downwards. Then we have piped that result to rev. Then what rev will do, then rev will opposite the words of the course also. Okay, and it will be down the hello, but it will be also reverse. So if I will hit enter, so you can see the course was on top and also it was reversed. Okay, so hope we have understood this. Now we have a demo file here. So if I will open a demo file.txt, so it's a bunch of file, and it's so I have randomly generated from my internet. So it's just 100 lines of code, 100 sentences, just a random sentences. Okay. So if I want to read the content, so what I will do, the name, so cat and then demo file. Okay, so if I will hit enter, so you have seen that, okay, these are the things. So if I will scroll down and down, so you can see that. So if you will scroll up and up, so something might be missed. Okay, so suppose you are reading here and if you are scrolling, so by mistake you have scrolled 2 3 lines above. So for better reading or better understanding, what you should use less command. So what I will do, I will use cat demo file.txt and I will pass it to less command. So what it will do, it will give me option for navigating by my arrow key. So I will use my downward arrow key and it will navigate one line downwards once I will click it. Okay, so it's very easy for readers, one line by line, and it's very useful. Okay, so hope we have understood this. So I will press Q to exit it. Now, so hope we are clear with the less command. Now I will read the. Now let's understand head and tail. Okay, so we have cat with where is the file name? So we have hello.txt. So if you will read this, so the hello.txt have this content. Now the head command, what it does? So head command will take all the default. So basic the default stuff for head is 10. So if I will get this and pass it to head, so by default it will take first 10 entries. So by default it has this one only. So if I will, let me open the demo folder, and on the first 10 lines, so it has till his ultimate dream fantasy. Okay, so let me go ahead to this and let me cat demo file.txt and let me pass it to head. So you have seen that by default it is taking this much entry. Okay, now if you want to pass it till, let's see, only number 5, then you can give option n then 5, so it will print till the memory. Okay, so if I will hit enter, so it has taken only 10 numbers. Okay, similarly for tail, so what tail does, so tail will take last commands. So by default it will take last commands. So let me go to my terminal and let's see, I will use tail. So you can see it's taken the command till the fence. Okay, so last I think it took 8. Okay, no, we have these things in their different line also. So it took 10 commands. So 8 were this line, and ninth and 10th were this one. Okay, now I can all definitely pass 10 to 4. So it will print last 4 lines till weather. Oh, sorry, I have pasted something now. Okay, I have given space. So it's took from here. So from here till here, from here till here. Okay. So it took this one also, 101th blank option also. Okay. Now, of course, we can pass them all together. So I want to print out last 4 lines, and also I want to take out first 4 lines. Okay. So what it did, so it take last 4 lines, so it take till these lines, and then from this thing it passed from last 4 lines. Oh, starting 4 lines. Okay, let's understand this with more examples. So instead of tell n4, I will give tell n10. So let's understand what it will do. So the highlighted thing, what it will do, so it will pick up cat demo file.txt, and it will pick last 10 lines. Okay, till waffles or till the fence. Okay, so it will do. Now this result will pass to this head n4. So what it will do, it will take 4 lines on from the top. So if I will hit enter, so what it did, so it took last 10 lines, and then from here it just filtered out 4 lines. Okay, the fence, then this, and then this, and then till here. Okay, now hope we are clear with this, with head and tail command. And yeah, so hope we are clear with this. The head and tail command together is very much powerful, and it's used everywhere else. Okay, so I'm hoping we are clear with viewing the files and manipulating it. So yeah, till then, that's it for viewing the files. In the next lecture, we will learn how you can sort the data, different type of data we will talk about. Till then, take care.